Matatag Curriculum English 4 Quarter 1 Lesson 8 Day 1 The topic is all about writing an informational text. For the learning competencies, produce a text with introduction, body, and conclusion in conveying idea, using introduction, body, and conclusion. Write an informational text. Complete an outline of an informational text with the needed details. For day 1, look at these images. What are these images? You're right. The first one is newspaper. The second one are magazines. And the last pictures and textbooks. What do we get from these reading materials? You're right. These reading materials give information. Newspapers provide timely news and updates. Magazines offer in-depth articles on various topics and trends. And textbooks deliver structured and comprehensive knowledge on specific subjects. In this lesson, you will be learning how to write your own informational text. Informational texts provide facts and information about a specific topic. Let's proceed with an activity entitled Game Memory Cards. Your class will be divided into 2. Your teacher will lay down all definition cards on the table. Each member of the team will be given a word card and will be asked them to find the definition on the table. The first team to find all the correct definition of their word card wins. For the unlocking content vocabulary, let's define some terms. First is information. It is a data or knowledge about a particular topic. For text, it is a written or printed words that convey information. Informational text. Non-fiction writing that provides facts or explanations about a subject. Introduction of the text. The beginning section that introduces the main topic or purpose. Body of the text. The main part where detailed information, arguments, or descriptions are presented. And for the conclusion, it is the final section that summarizes the main points or provides a closing thought. Let's read this example of an informational text. Let's read the example of an informational text. It is entitled The Wonderful World of Animals. Animals around us. Animals come in all shapes and sizes. Some live in our homes, like dogs and cats, while others live in the wild, such as lions and elephants. Animals can be found everywhere, in forests, in oceans, and even in our backyards. Each animal has a special place where it lives, called its habitat. Different animal homes. Animals have different kinds of homes based on where they live. For example, birds build nests in trees to keep their eggs safe. Fish live in water and make their homes in coral reefs or under rocks. Bears often make dens in caves or hollow trees to sleep in. Each type of home helps animals stay safe and find food. Why animals are important? Animals play a big role in nature. They help plants grow by spreading seeds and pollinating flowers. Some animals, like bees, help make fruits and vegetables by carrying pollen from one flower to another. By learning about animals and their homes, we can understand how to protect them and keep our planet healthy. For deepening understanding, let us now discuss the features of the given informational text. Headings. Headings are like big titles at the top of sections. They tell us what the next part of the text will be about. For example, a heading might be Animal Homes, which lets us know that the section will talk about where animals live. Subheadings. Subheadings are smaller titles under the main heading. They give more details about the topic. For instance, under Animal Homes, there might be a subheading like Bird's Nest. This helps us understand what specific part of the topic we will read about next. Facts. Facts are true pieces of information that help us learn. They are like pieces of a puzzle that fit together to give us a clear picture. For example, a fact might be bees help flowers grow by spreading pollen. Clear organization. Clear organization means putting information in a way that makes it easy to understand. This usually means having a clear heading and subheadings, and putting facts in the right order so that everything makes sense. Good organization helps us follow along and learn better. Printed materials that give information about a topic are called informational text. Examples: news articles, travelogues, feature articles, content area materials, or textbooks, recipe, and etc. Here are the procedures in writing an informational text. First is choosing a topic. Choose a topic for your informational text. It can be a subject you are interested in, or a topic related to a subject you are currently studying. Write a few topic options on the chart paper or board and choose your preferred topic. Next step is all about gathering information. Before you can write an informational text, you need to gather accurate and relevant information about your chosen topic. Your teacher will provide resources such as books, websites, or articles related to your topic. Alternatively, you will be provided with pre-selected information, or you will conduct a class discussion to gather information together. Take notes or use graphic organizers to organize your information effectively. For planning and organizing, first, let's define what is planning. Planning means thinking about what you want to write before you start. It's like drawing a map before a trip. When you plan, you decide what ideas to use and how to put them in order. This makes writing easier and helps you remember what you want to say. Why organizing helps? Organizing means putting your ideas in a clear order. First, you might write an introduction to tell what your topic is. Next, you organize the main points or facts in the middle. Finally, you write a conclusion to wrap things up. Organizing helps your writing make sense, and be easy for others to understand. How it makes writing better. When you plan and organize, your writing is clear and interesting. It's like building a house with a good plan. You know where everything goes. This way, your readers can follow your ideas easily and enjoy what you've written. On the video, a simple outline for an informational text can be done this way. First is the introduction. Second is the body. Under the body, we have the main topic. Under the main topic, there are subtopic 1 and subtopic 2. And the third one will be the conclusion. Writing the informational text. Use your outline or graphic organizer as basis or guide for writing your informational text. Emphasize the importance of using clear and concise language, providing accurate facts, and organizing your information logically. Use transition words and phrases to connect your ideas and make your writing flow smoothly. For editing and revising, it is important to edit and revise your writing to improve clarity and accuracy. Review and revise your informational text, focusing on grammar, punctuation, and sentence structure. Read your own writing aloud or exchange papers with a partner for peer editing. For the finalizing the informational text, make any necessary revisions based on the editing process. Neatly write or type your final draft of the informational text. Share your work with the class. For the work example, we will write an outline. Directions. Think of a topic you are interested in. Make a simple outline as shown in the video in episode 3 and use the given template or format above. Let's now proceed with the lesson activity. Writing an informational text. Write an informational text using the outline you have drafted. For the generalization, what does an informational text include? You're right, an informational text includes facts and details about a specific topic. What are the steps to follow in writing an informational text? You're right, the steps to follow in writing an informational text are planning, organizing, writing, and revising. The third question, what is the importance of making an outline? You're right. Making an outline helps organize your ideas and makes writing easier. Number 4 question. What are the parts of an informational text? Very good. The parts of an informational text are the introduction, body, and conclusion. Were you able to write your own text using the procedures discussed in class? If yes, that's good to know. Completing an outline. Directions. Read the selection provided in the worksheet. The life cycle of the butterfly. Complete the outline of the given selection. The life cycle of a butterfly. The life cycle of a butterfly starts with an egg and ends with a beautiful butterfly. However, many changes must take place for this complete transformation to happen. First, a female butterfly lays many eggs on a leaf. After 5 days, small caterpillars hatch out of the eggs. The caterpillars also known as larvae, are very hungry and begin to eat the leaf on which they hatch, and nearby flowers as well. After a while, they get so big that they outgrow their skin and need to shed it. This is called molting, and they do it 4 or 5 times during this process. When the caterpillar is fully grown, it forms a hard coating around itself. The coating is the same color as the trees and leaves, which helps keep it protected. It is called chrysalis. The chrysalis hangs from the branch in the shape of a letter J. After about 10 to 14 days, the butterfly starts to come out of the chrysalis, also known as a pupa. One wing will emerge, followed by the other wing. And finally, a full butterfly will be seen leaving an empty casing. The wings of butterflies are wet right when they come out, but after a short while, they dry and the butterflies are able to fly. Then, the process begins again when the female butterfly lays another group of eggs on a leaf. Let's now complete the outline following the format below. We have title. For the first one, introduction. We have also the body. The subtopic will be the egg. The subtopic 2, for letter A, hatch from eggs. Subtopic 3, the chrysalis. Subtopic 4, the butterfly. And for the third one, we have conclusion. Here are the correct answers. For the title, the life cycle of a butterfly. Introduction. The life cycle of a butterfly starts with an egg and ends with a beautiful butterfly. Many changes must take place for this transformation to happen. For the body subtopic, the egg, a female butterfly lays many eggs on a leaf. After 5 days, small caterpillars hatch out of the eggs. For the second one, the caterpillar. The caterpillars, also known as larvae, are very hungry and begin to eat leaves and flowers. They grow quickly and need to shed their skin several times through molting. For the subtopic 3, the chrysalis. When fully grown, the caterpillar forms a hard coating around itself called a chrysalis. The chrysalis hangs from a branch in the shape of letter J.